Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover and unlock Ome TV. We are going to the browser and we are going to enter Ome TV. Okay, we can see here, press in and to the slides to end. We can see the contact. You can copy contact or directly press here and open with email. Okay, we're going to directly the email, and so here are going to put on the subject of unlocking the account, and the below they have unlocked is not recent, and now they will be corrected and they will be unlocked you in few days. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it here in Technologies.